Okay, guys, so we have an iPhone 5S we need to harvest the connector from and use it on another board. So let's go ahead and throw down some flux. So many fluxes, I don't know which one to choose from, so we're just going to go ahead and end up using the rest of our Amtech here. Okay. Or let's just say Amtech, you're right. Let's use other ones now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to tin up these pads. This will be a little bit easier to remove. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Okay, now we're just going to remove this connector. We're doing so using 450 on the hot air centigrade and 40 on the airflow itself. Okay, so as soon as there we go. Okay, so there's our harvested connector. We'll just leave it there for now. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to do the same thing over here. Okay, we're going to throw down some flux. Oh, okay, throw down some flux. A lot of flux in. Let me turn on my exhaust, okay? Should start the day every day when we work with our exhaust on. Okay. So this here's the connector. We've got the flux. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to come in. Let's, see if we use our big iron here, if it's too big. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so we got what we wanted out of this, which was to tin the pads. Now we're just going to remove this. Okay, so that's fine. Now we're going to come in with the wick. Okay, the wick and a little bit more flux. Beautiful. Okay, we'll trim the end of our wick here. Okay. Good enough. Okay, so now what we'll do is put down some more flux. Okay. And then we're going to grab our loose solder wire over here. Always have some loose, I should always check for first. Okay, and then just kind of beautiful. We could do this, this particular one we could do with the iron, but just do it as normal. Okay. Let's put down the newly harvested part over here. Freaking a little sticky from all the flux. It's okay. Okay. Okay, that'll be good enough. We'll put down some more flux on top. Beautiful. And now we'll come in with the hot air. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's give it. Oh, dropping my tweezers in the lap there. Oh, wrong one. Presto. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more flux down here. Beautiful. Okay, and let's just finish it up. Beautiful. Okay. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some alcohol. Just gonna clean it up. Okay. Okay, beautiful. We can see that this connector even took a little bit of damage, but still working for them, I guess, so we'll leave it. But there's the new one. Turn the brightness up a little bit. Looks pretty good, yeah? Okay, thank you.